Welcome back to Auto Review, where we bring you the latest and most detailed car reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Toyota Sienta, a compact MPV that continues to be a favorite for families and urban drivers in markets like Japan and Southeast Asia. The new Sienta has received several updates that improve both style and functionality, making it an even stronger contender in its class. So, let's explore every aspect of this compact yet spacious family mover, from its exterior styling to interior comfort, performance, and of course, the price. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota Sienta carries forward its quirky and fun design language while introducing a more refined and mature look. It's still compact in size, which is great for maneuvering through tight city streets, but Toyota has added subtle design tweaks to enhance its road presence. The front fascia is more squared off, featuring a minimalist grille and sharp LED headlights that blend seamlessly with the body lines. The daytime running lights now have a more distinct signature, giving the Sienta a modern, almost futuristic vibe. Moving to the sides, the body remains tall and narrow, optimizing interior space without adding unnecessary bulk. Sliding rear doors come standard, making passenger entry and exit incredibly convenient, especially in tight parking spaces. The character lines on the body have been simplified, creating a cleaner look overall. At the rear, the vertical taillamps extend downward into the bumper, which not only adds to the Sienta's unique styling but also increases visibility for vehicles behind. Alloy wheels, depending on the trim, range from 15 to 16 inches, with updated designs that match the car's overall youthful personality. Now stepping inside, the 2025 Sienta continues to impress with its smart use of space. Toyota has managed to offer 3 rows of seating in such a compact footprint, which is no small feat. The cabin layout is practical, functional, and family-friendly. The dashboard is simple and modern, dominated by a centrally mounted touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is clean and easy to read, offering essential driving information in a crisp layout. Interior materials have seen a noticeable upgrade, especially on higher trims. Soft-touch plastics, fabric inserts, and thoughtful storage compartments make the cabin feel more upmarket. The seats are supportive and offer decent comfort for long drives. The second row seats slide and recline, while the third row is best suited for kids or short trips. When not in use, the third row seats fold down flat, greatly expanding cargo space. The Sienta also features multiple USB ports, cup holders, and even under-seat storage, clear evidence that Toyota has families in mind. Under the hood, the 2025 Sienta offers 2 main powertrain options: a 1.5-liter inline-3 gasoline engine and a hybrid variant that combines the same engine with Toyota's renowned hybrid technology. The gasoline engine produces around 120 horsepower, which is adequate for city driving and occasional highway cruising. It's paired with a CVT that offers smooth and efficient power delivery. However, the real highlight is the hybrid model. It delivers improved fuel economy, smoother acceleration, and lower emissions. The hybrid system is quiet and refined, especially at low speeds, making it ideal for urban environments. On the road, the Sienta handles predictably well. It's not a sports car, but its light steering, compact dimensions, and tight turning radius make it easy to drive in congested areas. Ride comfort is another strong point. The suspension is tuned for softness, which helps absorb bumps and potholes effectively. Cabin insulation is decent, though you might hear some tire and wind noise at higher speeds. Safety is a top priority, with Toyota Safety Sense coming standard on most trims. This includes pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and road sign assist, making the Sienta not just practical but also reassuringly safe. As for pricing, the 2025 Toyota Sienta remains competitively positioned. In Japan, the base gasoline model starts at around 1.95 million yen, which is roughly $13,000 USD. The hybrid versions begin closer to 2.4 million yen, or about $16,000 USD. Of course, prices can vary based on market and options, but overall, the Sienta offers excellent value for money. It provides the flexibility of a minivan in a small and efficient package, all backed by Toyota's solid reputation for reliability. So, is the 2025 Toyota Sienta worth your consideration? If you're looking for a compact, family-friendly car that's easy to drive, fuel-efficient, and packed with smart features, the answer is a definite yes. Thanks for watching Auto Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.